I had a bad hip, and it was keeping me from doing the things that I love to do. And I went to see Dr. McCoy at Rocky Mountain Orthopedics. And since then, my life has changed 100% for the better.
Mark was sent over to me because he was having quite severe hip pain on his left hip, and it was starting to severely negatively affect his daily life, keep him from doing his normal activities. The treatment that we decided to do for Mark, there was really no other option other than a total hip replacement.
Within 2 weeks, I was walking a half a mile with no assistance, no walker, no cane, no anything. Actually, I always joke with Dr. McCoy and tell him that new hip is the best joint in my body.
My goal is to keep people active and doing all of the things that they like to do for as long as possible, pain-free.
Before I had the surgery, because I was in constant pain, it was hard to keep a positive attitude. It was hard to be helpful and cheerful because it hurt. It just hurt. And after I had the surgery, I frankly feel like kind of a different person. I'm much happier, much more energetic, much more likely to try new things or do the old things that I love that I might have gotten away from while my hip was hurting so badly. So it's been a miracle for me, honestly.